Welcome to Exhort Solutions. From now onwards, we will start our actual content of C language. Before starting, I would like to tell you key points of this video tutorial series. That why you should learn from Exhort Solutions only. The key benefits of joining this course is short videos. As long videos are boring, we will have a short videos of each and every topic with proper explanations. Then we will have practical based examples and coding. From now onwards, I will code on Xcode. You can use any different types of IDE you want. Then all your basics will be cleared through our course. You will get benefit of cracking interviews and will help in placement preparations too. After completing the course, you will get every basic knowledge you need for cracking the interviews and it will help you in placement preparations too. Now, what you require learning from us? The answer for this is nothing. Guys, yes, the answer for this is nothing. If you have no knowledge about this subject, that's okay. It's absolutely fine. We will cover each and everything from basics. You just need a notebook and a pen to take down notes. So now, let's start with the actual content of C language. Now we will see what we will learn in this module. Built-in functions in C, syntax of a function, header files in C, comments in C programming language. In this video, you will see the definitions of this all the topics. In the next video, we will see the practical examples and we will have a practical coding experience of this all types of topics. So now let's get started with the built-in functions in C. Okay, these are some examples of built-in functions in C. First is scanf. Scanf is used for take the input from the user. Then the next is printf. It is used to display, that is, it is used to display on the screen. The text written in the printf are displayed on the screen. Then the third is isDigit. It takes single argument integer and return type int. It only takes argument as an integer. It will not take any other value such as floating value or any other value. Malloc. Malloc is used to create a block of memory. Then the next is sqrt. Then it is stand for square root. Then this function is used to find the square root of a number. Then the next is puts. It is a file handling function to write output on the screen. Okay, gets. It reads a line from a file. Okay, get function reads line from file. It reads line to line. Okay, then the next comes strcmp. It stands for string comparison. It is used to compare these two strings. Okay, so now next we will see the syntax of a function. Now the syntax of a function looks like this. Okay, the first there is a return type. This is a return type. Then we write a name of a function. You can write any name of a function. Then we have parameter. Here we pass a parameters of the functions. Then we actually write a set of statements code, that is what should a function do. Here we write a set of statements. Okay, so friends, next video we will see the practical example of coding of a functions. Okay, so now your next is header files in C. Now we will see what are the header files in C programming language. First, there is a stdio.h. It stands for standard input output.h file. It is the file which contains C declaration and macro definitions. Okay, then the next is conio.h. This is console input output header file. Third is used for math.h. As the name only indicates, the file, all maths related functions are defined in this file. Then the next is string.h. All string related functions are defined in the header file of string.h. Then the next comes time.h. This header file contains time and clock related functions. Then ctype.h. All character handling functions are defined in the header files. Then stdarg.h. It stands for standard argument.h file. Variable argument function are declared in this header file. Then next is errno.h, that is it has error handling function in this file. Okay, now we will see comments in C programming language. C has a type of comments. First is single line comment and second is multi-line comment. Okay, single line comment is denoted as this is 2 / and these are the statements returns, and multi-line comments is denoted as / star, then we wrote statements, then closing star and /. The benefits of these statements are we can write as a the compiler ignores this set of statements written in the comments. Okay, now if you declare int a and if you see your program after 1 year, then you don't remember what is int a. So the comments are used to define the line of a code, that is we will now see int is a data type and a is a variable, and we will write it in the comments, then the compiler ignores it and no errors is formed, then therefore we use a statements in C programming language. Now we will see some examples of single line and multi-line comments. The example of single line comment is here. Now we are printing this information printf exhort solutions, and we are given a definition of this, that is if we see our code 1 year later, we will remember that yes, this this printf is used for printing the informations. So here we define a definitions. Then the next is defined as a returning value. Then these are the examples of single line comment. Now next we will see the example of multi-line comment. This is the example of multi-line comment. Okay friends, that's it for now. In the next lecture we will see the practical examples of these topics we have learned in this lecture.